will talk about how can you change or add your changer on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click down, you click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, just click here on personalize, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on changer here. So then here can you select your changer in this list. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.